everybody, how you doing? It's Andrew from Some Guy with Tools here. Today we're taking a look at the RYOBI 1 Plus HP, their brand new 18 volt compact brushless half-inch drill driver kit. Comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery, a charger, and a carrying bag. So let's get it open and take a look at it. Right off the bat, you'll notice it comes with two 1.5 amp hour batteries. Now, these batteries, they do include the LED on the front. Push the button to see the charge level, of course. It also includes their nice compact charger. Very small footprint, doesn't take up much space on your workbench, so I'm going to go ahead and get that plugged in. Now, taking a look at the drill driver itself, this is, again, the RYOBI 1 Plus HP 18 volt brushless brand new drill driver. Now, the great thing, let's see if we got a little bit of charge here. Toolless chuck. Tightens right up. Ultra bright LED down at the bottom, centered on there, so you're shining up at your workspace. Great for the homeowner, the beginner, the light duty user. Adjustable speeds all the way up to drilling mode, and adjustable torque right here. You also have two speed settings, setting 1, setting 2. Now this tool, the RYOBI 1 Plus HP drill driver, is 30% more compact than its predecessor and 20% lighter. So, I happen to have the predecessor drill. This is the RYOBI 1 Plus 18 volt drill driver, and you can see a very clear difference between the two with the sizing. Both in length, much more compact. The height, the one difference between the previous generation and the 1 Plus HP, other than the brushless, is that you did lose the level on the top to ensure that you're drilling correctly. Of course, my level sometimes gets a little sticky, so that was a hit or miss feature previously. We no longer have that. We have the upgraded toolless chuck. Again, half-inch chuck. So we'll be putting this to use, and we'll take a look back going forward.